Greetings and welcome to another video. Today is Thursday, 9th of April 2020, and I bring to you another story from today's Shropshire Star, and that's today's headline. And after my previous video today about Pricklebum's hedgehog rescue in Ludlow, I was just having a read through some of the other articles going on in today's newspaper, and I noticed this other article which I found really interesting, and I thought I'd make this another video about it. Now this article isn't based in Shropshire. In fact, it comes from the Bolivian Amazon, and yeah, I just found it, had to read through, and I found it really interesting. The article in question is on page 18, and the article is Cultivation led to Forest Island, and there it is. And I'll just read the article. Humans living in the Bolivian Amazon more than 10,000 years ago created thousands of forest islands while cultivating plants for food, scientists believe. Researchers have found evidence that suggests people were taming carbohydrate-rich plants such as squash, maize, and manioc, while transforming the landscape they were inhabiting. Their work led to the creation of 4,700 raised areas known as forest islands in what is now Llanos de Moxos in northern Bolivia, according to a recent study published in the journal Nature. Based on their findings, scientists now believe sub-Western Amazonia to be the fifth area of the world where the earliest domestication of plants began. That is, alongside China, cultivating rice, the Middle East, cultivating grains and pulses, and also Mesoamerica, cultivating maize, beans, and squash, and finally the Andes, which is the origin of potatoes and quinoa. I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, anyone with an interest in history, archaeology, and farming, and any combined mixture of those subjects, will probably find this research really interesting. As said, it's mentioned in the scientific journal called Nature. And of course, Central and South America is where vegetables like potatoes and maize comes from, which is an important part of everyone's diet nowadays. So yeah, that little bit of brief international news from Bolivia I found to be an interesting little highlight in today's newspaper, so I thought it'd be a good thing to do to mention it in a video here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of random news, and thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. I do appreciate it. And once again, I hope that you, dear viewer, you're keeping safe, and along with your friends, family and neighbours. And I hope to see you all again sometime soon in the next video. Take care and goodbye.